guys, it's me, Mikey Mike, and today I am going to be doing a vending machine collection video. We just left BJ's, so if we need to refill any vending machines, we could. Okay guys, we got to the first location, and now we're going to go check on the vending machine. Okay, here it is, guys. This is the first vending machine. This one's doing actually really good because the peanut M&Ms is almost gone. The gumballs still need a little work, and the Skittles are going pretty good too. And this is a 24/7 store, so we actually had to change the vending machine down in case if anyone steals it or tries to take anything from it. Okay, this is the second vending machine. This one is doing good too. Skittles, barely dent. Gumballs, no dent. And M&Ms are almost gone again. This one, not a lot of people go to, but I can tell that has changed. Okay, it's time to collect, and this time I want you guys to see what it looks like when we open these. Check the money in the back.
There you go.
Okay, this is how much money. It's only been 2 weeks and we already have $14 in this. This is a really big surprise. Hey guys, I just finished collecting from all 5 vending machines. Here is the money. And in a second here, I'm going to count it. Okay guys, we finished up counting all the money. It is $89 from 5 machines. A lady needed change for 10, so we gave her that. And yeah guys, if you want to see more vending machine videos, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. Bye.